And the humidity. I'm looking at our windows this morning. You can tell just by the condensation on them that it's sticky outside.
You'll notice it when you step out the door.
You know, it was nice while it lasted, the comfortable air, but it's Florida in May. It had to come back eventually, right? Yeah, of course, those burn bans, very important. I was looking at some numbers this morning, guys. Since January 1st, over 120,000 acres have burned in Florida, which is really staggering. So very important that you're following those burn bans for more reasons than not. Let's talk about our forecast pattern. We have a front to our north right now, but high pressure is blocking that from moving in. So our forecast through the weekend is going to be hot and humid and mostly dry, but that front will actually move in on Monday and bring us a chance for scattered storms. Now, how much that coverage looks like for us, that still is up in the air, but we'll take you through at least what some of the models are saying right now to get you prepared for that. Here's a look at satellite and radar. That front currently to our north bringing severe weather right now to southern Alabama. This red box you're seeing here that does extend into the Florida Panhandle, that's a tornado watch. So tornadoes will be possible across parts of the southeast throughout the next several hours. If you had any travel plans up this way, just know it is going to stay pretty rainy over the next several days across the southeast, and some flooding rain is possible just in case you had any travel plans to some of the graduations across the southeast. I know there are plenty going on, including a few here at home, which will take you through that graduation forecast shortly. Right now, quiet. Looks nice out there. Look at this beautiful sunshine coming up over the St. Pete Pier. Looks nice. I will say we do have some sea fog out there this morning, especially offshore, off of the Gulf, out in the Gulf. Our bay and inland waters look okay. It's offshore where we're seeing some of that fog. So just a heads up if you had any boating plans this morning. We do also have some fog inland in Hernando County and Pasco County, or in Citrus County. And Pasco County. There we go. I was getting backwards here. 0 miles of visibility in Inverness, a quarter mile in Brooksville. There it is, northern Pasco. We are seeing some patchy fog, and we are also seeing some patchy fog develop over near Temple Terrace. It says 7 miles of visibility, might be a little less than that, but either way, give yourself some extra time out the door if you live up along the Nature Coast this morning. Temperatures very mild in the 60s to 70s, 76 in St. Pete, 74 in Tampa, 71 in Sarasota, 68 in Lakeland, 69 in Frostproof, 68 in Crystal River, and 69 in Newport Richey. That Gulf temperatures at 77, and we have this southwest very warm air mass coming over the Gulf, so that is creating that saturation, giving us that sea fog this morning. High temperatures in the upper 80s to 90s today, a hot and humid one, and of course, here's a look at that graduation forecast. USF, we have a lot of our masters graduating today. Here's a look. First ceremony kicks off at 1:30. It's going to be hot. Temperatures in the low 80s. Around 6 o'clock, we have another ceremony at 6:30. We're still in the mid 80s, and with that humidity, ladies and gentlemen, lots of hairspray today, some good setting spray to keep that makeup in place. Tomorrow, hot, humid, mostly dry, the 10% chance for an isolated shower, and we'll take you through that here. It looks like most of the rain will be inland out towards Polk County around 7, 8 o'clock at night, but overall, your plans for Friday look good to go. Same Saturday, just hot and humid, maybe a quick passing shower. Sunday will look inland for maybe a few showers and storms. It looks like we could have some sea breeze showers and storms develop. Sunday, of course, being Mother's Day, taking mom to the beach looks good to go. But indoor seating probably preferred if you're taking mom to lunch or dinner on Sunday because it is going to be so hot and humid. Monday morning, a few showers possible along the Nature Coast. Most widespread chance for rain will be Monday afternoon. This timing and coverage could all change, but of course, a few storms could impact that afternoon and evening commute on Monday. We'll keep you posted on that exact timing as we go through the next coming days. Not looking at a significant rainfall total, but at least something, maybe a quarter to a half an inch of rain behind this front. Marine forecast shows light chop on the bay, seas 1 to 2 feet. 7-day shows the warm and mostly dry conditions continuing through the weekend. Hot and humid will be the theme through the weekend with that scattered storm chance returning. Monday, notice that front really not cooling us down. We'll stay in the 80s next week.